Hi, this is Aaron, Orange County Hot Rods. We have a 1956 Chevy Truck that we just redid. It's a driver. The guy brought it in and he wanted to upgrade a lot of stuff, such as rebuild the front suspension, change the rear suspension, make it ride easier, get rid of the leaf springs, upgrade the brakes, and upgrade the wheels, tires. So I'll go through the whole truck and I'll show you exactly what we did. And like I said, this is not a show truck, but it's a driver, but it still looks like a show truck. So it's pretty awesome. So first of all, we rebuilt the Heights front suspension because the bushings were shot. So we just went through the whole suspension and everything. We upgraded to Willwood disc brakes. They're the big 14-inch brakes. And as you can see, we got some Budnick wheels. We got a six piston caliper Willwood brakes. I believe they're the 14-inch. And stopping power is really, really good now. So as you can see, the paint is beautiful. The color, it's actually a 3-stage factory color from a car. I think it's from a Ford, but really nice color. So what we did is we did a 3-stage paint restoration process and buffed it out 3 different times, 3 different pads. So it really brought out the shine. So let's go back. So what we did on the rear end is he wanted a little bit more deep dish on the rear end. So we had 19 by 8s on the front, and then we have 20 by 10s on the rear. So what we did is we took off the leaf springs and we added a universal Ride Tech 4-link suspension with coilover. And we had Hickory make up a rear end. And so what we did is we wanted to get the wheels first because we wanted the deep dish. We just wanted the look. So we got the wheels first, then we were able to determine the rear end, the width of the rear end. Went down to Hickory and they fabricated Fab 9 rear end for us. And we went with the brand new Willwood 14-inch brakes, 4-piston caliper, but we have the new electronic e-brake setup on this. It's really cool. No e-brake cables, no nothing. It's just wiring going to the brake caliper, and super cool. So since we went with the 10-inch wide wheel, now we had to go with a mini tub on the rear bed. So what we did is we fabricated, I'll get on this side. So we fabricated some mini tubs just so we have the interior tire clearance, because you can only get so wide on these beds without doing a mini tub. So we fully fabricated mini tubs. We matched the paint, and instead of opting for chrome strips, we just painted the strips the same color. The wood kit we had special made from Bedwood Company. I believe it's bedwood.com or something like that. But they did a really nice job on the new Bedwood kit. And we have CPP fuel tank in the rear, and we put a cool gas cap cover right over the bed. So needless to say, he's probably not going to be carrying a whole lot of scratchable materials in here, but it's a nice driver truck. So we'll just walk around. Like I say, the CPP, I believe, is 25-gallon fuel tank, upgraded. We also upgraded the exhaust. Come back here, and we've got the exhaust. We opted to put the mufflers back here, and we went with a nice 2.5-inch X-pipe setup. Black Widow exhaust, and it's all handmade by us. So just something we do. We do a lot of fabrication here. So, and the customer opted for the matching steering wheel to match the wheels, which is kind of cool. We got classic instruments, gauges in here. And the interior, he bought the truck this way, so the interior just came with the truck this way. He'll probably upgrade the interior later. But Really nice. I believe it's a bear claw door latches. They just close super nice compared to the original. So, we got the stock mirror uh, arms on here, the stock emblems. Nothing's shaved on this truck, so it looks kind of cool. It's kind of an old school truck. But kept all the chrome up here. 56 Chevy hood emblem, kept that. But it's a really nice truck. So we basically just have a crate engine 350, nothing special. Get them down the road really nice. So the people who had set this up before, the engine was tilted, so we had to redo the engine mounts, put the correct degree on the motor, and now it sits perfect the way it should. So that's about it. This is just a really nice driver pickup for somebody who, wants a nice, you can show it. You probably win awards on this, but they just want to, have a nice driver. So that's it. Just on this 56 Chevy truck. See you later.